I just got a box of things from Hydro Flask. I've been saving up to buy this, so I'm super excited. So this is the thing I was saving up to buy. This I found on the sale rack. So I bought it a new lunchbox for my husband. You want to see inside? Oh, nice. Okay, so here's the teaser for what's inside this box. A pink bottle boot. So I had this other one that my husband won at a work party, and it's like just a knockoff, but I liked it a lot. And you know, everybody else has a Stanley, and I've always loved Hydro Flask, and then Hydro Flask just came out with this, I think it's called All Around Travel Tumbler, and it has this great little suction top with a straw. There's the inside. And they have this new limited edition color. I'm super excited. Okay, so I'm gonna put the thing on. Beautiful. I'm so excited. My husband was worried that the name is covered up, but it's right there, Hydro Flask. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you get a new Hydro Flask cup.